The Barclays Center is located in the heart of Brooklyn, New York, at the crossroads of Atlantic and Flatbush Avenues. The 650,000 square feet arena is home of the Brooklyn Nets of the National Basketball Association and the New York Islanders of the National Hockey League. In 2004, real estate developer Bruce Ratner of Forest City Ratner Companies purchased the Brooklyn Nets for $300 million and proposed the idea of a mega-development in Brooklyn called Pacific Park, with the arena serving as the main hub. The 22-acre, 16-building sports village would include affordable housing and shopping in a mostly low-rise retail, residential, and industrial area. This effort garnered support from Mayor Michael Bloomberg and Governor George Pataki and provided $305 million in grants because of the promise of huge benefits, including over 2,000 affordable housing units and 10,000 permanent jobs. The main scope of the project, as defined by the Atlantic Yards Land Use Improvement and Civic Project General Plan, is to provide a publicly owned state-of-the-art arena to accommodate the return of a Major League sports franchise to Brooklyn, while also providing a valuable athletic facility for the city's colleges and local academic institutions, which currently lack adequate athletics facilities, and a new venue for a variety of musical, entertainment, educational, social, and civic events. The scope also requires a subway connection on the south side of Atlantic Avenue at the intersection of Atlantic and Flatbush Avenues, with sufficient capacity to accommodate fans entering or leaving an event at the arena, eliminating the need for pedestrians approaching the transportation hub from the south to cross Atlantic Avenue to enter the subway, and thereby enhancing pedestrian safety. The projected cost of the development was around $4.9 billion, while the arena itself was estimated to cost around $722 million. The total cost of the arena ended up being around $825 million. As part of the development, $72 million were spent to upgrade 9 subway lines, and $100 million were used to relocate the Long Island Railroad Atlantic Terminal underneath the arena. The Barclays Center was expected to open in 2006. However, the project was encountered with years of delays due to legal battles by residents fighting for New York City's use of eminent domain, a change in architects which led to 2 redesigns, lack of continued public financing, and the Great Recession. 37 lawsuits were filed against the developer, none of which the developer had lost. On November 24, 2009, the New York Court of Appeals ruled in favor of the state to using eminent domain for the project. In the summer of 2009, Ellerb Beckett replaced the original lead architect Frank Gehry in order to come up with a more cost-effective design within the confined area of the job site. Hunt Construction Group was awarded the contract as the design builder of the arena in February 2010, and groundbreaking occurred a month later. Other key subcontractors in the project included Shop Architects, lead facade designer, Thornton Tomasetti, lead structural engineer, Banker Steel, steel fabricator, and James F. Stearns Company, steel erector. The project was completed in early 2012 and opened to the public on September 21st of that year. The arena features 18,000 seats for basketball games and 15,000 seats for hockey games. The arena also hosts a variety of entertainment events, such as concerts, with a seating capacity of 19,000. The arena includes 104 luxury suites, a suite-level club restaurant, public concourses on 2 levels, and an adjoining basketball practice facility. Once ground was broken, the 2 key factors in avoiding major obstacles of the project were the design-build process and the extensive use of 3D modeling to coordinate design, planning, and logistics of the project. In this case, building information modeling was used in solving complex issues in a short amount of time. Close coordination paid off on the facade. The 12,000 steel panels and 85-foot cantilevered entry plaza canopy were not part of the original design and required major changes that BIM made much smoother, such as adding 1,000 tons of steel to support the facade. BIM also allowed incorporation of a pair of 80,000-pound elevators to allow ferrying of trucks to below-grade loading docks. The main entry plaza includes a distinctive canopy and easy access from the subway and railroad lines below. Overall, 3D modeling made it easier to work with the complicated geometry of the building.